In today's video, I'll show you how to delete a vendor in Zoho Books. Whether you're cleaning up old records or removing inactive vendors, this quick guide will help you manage your vendor list easily and efficiently. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Zoho Books tutorials. Once you logged into Zoho Books, head over to the left sidebar and click on Purchases. Under that section, select Vendors. This will open a list of all your existing vendors, the hub for managing your supply relationships. You can scroll through or simply use the search bar at the top to find the vendor you want to delete. When you find the correct vendor, click on their name to open their profile. This page shows all transactions and details linked to that vendor. So take a moment to double check that you're deleting the right one. Now look to the top right corner of the screen and click the More drop down. From there, select Delete. Zoho Books will ask you to confirm the deletion because once a vendor is deleted, all related information is permanently removed. Carefully review the confirmation message and proceed only if you're sure. After confirming, your vendor will be successfully deleted from Zoho Books. It's that simple. Keeping your vendor list clean ensures better reporting and a smoother workflow. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials on mastering Zoho Books. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.